what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a room tour because, as you can tell, I don't have bright, obnoxious pink walls anymore. When I came home, my mom and my brother and his girlfriend helped decorate and remodel my whole room, and I'm obsessed with it and I can't wait to show you guys it. So first is the walls. They got painted and I am obsessed. I told my mom I wanted something neutral, something, you know, more age appropriate, if you know what I mean. So I got these beige walls, which I literally love. Now, if you come over here, you also see that they painted all of my furniture. So I have 2 nightstands and a dresser that got painted, and I'm obsessed with the knobs. They're these like crystal knobs. Love, love, love them. I also have these. My mom actually DIY'd them, and they're just little vases that have like fake flamed candles in them and flowers in them. You'll see these throughout the entire room, and some are different, some are rimmed at the top. Really, really cute. So then you'll see on the wall we have the flowers, which honestly is probably one of my favorite parts of the whole room. It just ties everything together. They're the gold and white. They kind of tie in with all of the bronze and gold that's going on in this room. You also see that my bed got, you probably didn't notice it, but it got painted, and everything just is so fresh and clean and crisp. I'm obsessed. So I got new bedding, just all white, just keep it nice and classy. Then if you come over here, this is also one of my favorite parts, is the dresser that got painted, and I have all of the vases, pictures I added, just really, really cute. If you come over here, we have the clipboard, and I'm going to add a bunch of more pictures to this, so look out for that. But I am obsessed with pictures, so I'm excited to fill those up with a bunch of pictures. I added these up here, just add my own little personal touch to them. Then if you come over here, we just got another nightstand, and I just added some of my favorite things on here. Again, we have the vases over here. You got this sign, another pop of color, and yeah, I'm obsessed. So that is everything. I hope you guys are obsessed with my room as much as I am. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you'd like to give it a thumbs up, if you have requests for other videos, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye. Get out of here. Bye.